How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode I have this 2004 Nissan Titan. I'm gonna replace the belt. Belt looks old, probably is the original belt, and it's gonna be the one from AutoZone. This episode is not sponsored. The first thing is, owner told me that she wanna replace the belt just in case. That one is still good. I'm gonna remove it and I'm gonna do the inspection on all the pulleys, make sure everything is good. The belt doesn't look really bad, but it's a good time to replace it. Really easy to remove. I recommend you to take pictures or do a diagram in case that you don't know how it goes. I'm gonna try to record this. One person doing the job and recording is not easy, but I'm gonna do it anyways. That's the tensioner right there, 14 millimeter. I have my breaker bar with a 14 millimeter socket. You're gonna lose the tension in there and remove the belt, and you gotta do it counterclockwise, so it goes to the right. Change of plans. I can't do it with my brake bar, so I put the ratchet with my cheater bar because I don't have a lot of room to move the brake bar. If you lose the tension, you can remove from the water pump, which is on this side. Okay, I use my ratchet only and remove from the tensioner. And the tensioner is not feeling bad, but we want to inspect everything, see if everything spins freely. Alternator down there, tensioner, power steering pulley, water pump, everything feels okay. If we look on this side, I just try to get it out of the compressor, and I'm gonna be able to remove this belt. This is the old belt. It looks old. It doesn't have a lot of cracks in it. All those little micro cracks is already old and dry. It's time to be replaced. But this one is still good, so I'm gonna tell the owner to keep it on the truck in case there's something happened to the new one. She can put this one to take it to a shop. You never know. On the new belt, I'm gonna try to put it around the balancer first. Make sure that you put it on the grooves before you start the truck because you might damage something. You might snap the belt. The most difficult part is gonna be getting under the compressor. Okay guys, so it took me a minute because it's really hard to get to the compressor. If you see, it goes under the power steering. Then I put it on top of the tensioner because I gotta pull the tensioner so I can put it on the bottom from the alternator. That's gonna be my last point. If you see, it goes all the way to the top, on top of the water pump. If you can see on this side, probably you can, is another pulley in there. Down there is the compressor. Everything is in place. But like I said, when you do this job, it might be a little confusing at first, but that's why you have to take pictures or do a drawing on the way this belt goes. Okay, so this time I put it out of the power steering pump because I don't have enough room to put both hands and put it under the alternator. So let me pull on the tensioner, and this time see if we can put it on the power steering pump pulley. Alright, that's the way to go. Okay, so that's the way to go. You gotta put it first under the alternator because I don't have a long ratchet or long range. It's really hard to get to it. You don't have enough room. I put it under the alternator first, and then I pull it on the tensioner and then put it through the power steering pump. When you put the belt, make sure that you put it in the same place. Like right now I had to lose the tensioner a little bit and move the belt this way. Over there is good. On the bottom of the balancer is good. And on this side it's still sitting. If you can see over there, it's still sitting on top. It's not right. So I gotta pull on the tensioner, make sure everything is right. And then once I get everything lined up, I'm gonna start the truck and see if everything works good. It is too bad, guys, that I couldn't film everything. I don't have enough room. I don't have somebody to move the camera around. It's difficult to film and do the job, but if you can see, it's in top in there. Same place on the tensioner, same place on the water pump, and the fan right there is in the same place. Everything is good. It looks like we got everything in place. $294,000 miles on the clock. It was time to replace it. If you see everything is good, that's how you replace the belt on this 8-cylinder Nissan Titans. If you have any questions, guys, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.